Let me show you how you can make 42,000 naira on the OPay app every month and 420,000 naira yearly on the OPay app. All right, this is what we call side hustle affiliate marketing. Make sure you watch this video to the end because I want to change your life with this video. Instead of you begging people for urgent 2k, you can be doing this and you can even earn more than that. This is what they call affiliate marketing, right? Affiliate marketing. So let's go to my screens. Let me show you now. Let's go.
So the first thing I want you to do is, if you're using an iPhone, go to your Apple Store, and if you're using Android, go to your Play Store. All right, this tutorial is not available on a laptop or any other stuff. You can try it on iPad or any other pad. All right, so right now I'm going to visit my Apple Store. So I'll go to my Apple Store and I will go to my search bar. So I'll go to my search bar, I will click on OPay, I will search OPay. All right, so I want you to download this OPay We Are Beyond Banking, the first one. All right, so not OPay Business. Once you have it installed on your device, I want you to click on open. So you click on open, you open it like this, right? So one beautiful thing about this OPay, like I said before, there are a lot of bonuses here on OPay. So let me take you around to the first one before the final step, where you'll be earning 4,300. all right, so I'll click on this airtime. So one thing about OPay here, anytime you purchase airtime here, you will get some cashback, and that cashback you can use it for any other thing you want to use it for. For example, if I'm buying an airtime of 1,000 naira, so they are going to give me a cashback. You can see, look at here, product name, airtime amount 1,000, bonus to earn. Anytime you made a transaction on purchasing airtime, you are going to get a cashback, and here you are going to get 20 naira. So let's say you are doing this, you are recharging from your OP frequently. Trust me, you are going to make some extra cash. Do you understand? So this is how this one work. So I will just go back now. I will go back, then I will take you to look at the button, the down button here, where you see home, reward, finance, cards, and me. All right, so you're going to click on reward. All right, so I want you to look here, right? Look at the reward here. If you click on where you see two here, just click on it and see. So you can see I have these are my cashback, the little cashback I've earned so far, and look at the amount I've earned this year. So I earn about 7,000 naira. So I earn about 7,000 naira from OPay as a cashback. Do you understand? I earn about 7,000 naira as a cashback from OPay, and what I have left now is the end this month. This is the amount I've earned this month, because I did not do more of transaction this month. That's why you're saying that. So imagine if you're just normal bank do not do all this kind of stuff. Imagine if you're recharging from your OPay and you are getting some extra cash. This is the amount I've earned so far this month, which is 245 naira, and this happened because I didn't pay more attention to my transaction this month. So you're getting, so this year so far, because I'm not doing more transaction, because I use Petranet for my network, so I don't really buy stuff here like that. So you can see how much I've earned so far, 7,000 naira. This one is normal earning because you are making use of OPay. You see, so you can see how much I have earned so far. So let's click on the expenses. You see, let's click the earning. This is the expenses, this is the earning. So all this green you are seeing here is how much I've received back for using OPay to recharge my number, to buy airtime data from them. You can see. So now I will go back to the other part where you'll be earning big. All right, so So okay, this one here now that says Friday freebies, so I will just click check in 7 days. So there is one thing about OPay that you can still be earning to 200 naira. All right, so there is one thing here. So let's say every day, if you're coming here, it starts from Saturday. So every day, if you are just coming to OPay to check in, you will be earning 200 naira airtime. Yes, you'll be earning 200 naira and get 200 naira voucher. You can see check in calendar to claim your gift. Check in 7 more times. So today is Saturday, so I will just click on this. Is what you are coming here to do. Check in successful. So I am done for today, and you see the number one as marked. All right, the number one as marked. You can see. So I will just go back now. So once I get back, you see where it says invite friends to earn. So this is where the affiliate marketing is coming in. So now I'm going to click on this invite friends to earn. All right, invite friends to OPay to earn rewards. So 4,200. So this 4,200 naira now, you are going to earn this money anytime you invite any of your friends. So imagine if you are lucky and you invite over 100 people. So if you invite over 100 people now, you come to this place. Let's go to calculator and type 4,200 times just 100 people. That is about 420,000 naira. So let's say you invite 100 people in a year just on OPay, you earn 420,000 naira. So let's say you invite just 10 people, so 4,200 in a month. Let's say you have this target of, maybe you want to be giving yourself target that okay, every month you want to be bringing some people to OPay. You say 4,200 times just 10, you are paying yourself a salary of 40,000 naira already, right? So, and what you just need to do here, you have WhatsApp contacts, you have Facebook contacts, just talk about OPay. Tell people to sign up about OPay and tell them to use your promo code. This is the same thing. The Brain Jotter, all these comedians you are seeing them, Brother Shaggy talking about 1xbet, that they should use their promo code. So you as well can be doing this thing, and people can be using your promo code, and you will be sitting back cashing out salaries, right? So how to do this? Once you send them the link, share your invitation code. You can see where it say "and share your invitation code." So once you share this invitation code to them, anytime they are trying to sign up, they should just put, for referral, they should put your invitation code, which is this number you are seeing. And the funnest thing, they will pay you 3,000 naira aside the 4,000. And once your friend register, you can see here, once your friend register on OPay with your invitation code, they will receive a 1,200.
The sweetest thing about this thing is, even the person you are inviting is going to earn 1,200 naira instantly. This thing is not a joke. See, I have a friend that is making a lot of money from this, and this is what he is doing. He's not even working. The only thing he does is focusing on affiliate marketing stuff. All right, so you can see here, immediately your friend funds their OPay with 2,000 naira or more, you will get up to 1,500 naira bonus. This is another bonus again. Once after the person might have signed up, the friend will receive the bonus instantly. Then you as well, you will receive 3,000 naira. And once the friend fund the account again with 2,000, at least 2,000 naira, you will still earn up to 1,200. With your 3,000 naira, that is about 4,200. So you see that OPay is not lying. This is fantabulous, and a lot of people are cashing out from this thing. So go do what you have to do and sign up right now. Invite people to OPay, and if you want to be getting this bonus, make sure you use my promo code. So the best way to get people to sign up with your promo code is by telling your friends, broadcasting this link to your family so that they can use your referral code. Once they use your referral code, OPay is going to notify you that this also amount of a person has make use of your referral code, and it's going to be under the list of your referrals. Do you get? So make sure you share this to your family, teach them on how they can sign up, then they will use your referral code and you'll start earning money. So it's so simple. Like this video, comment, and follow my YouTube channel for more content like this. Thanks.